Interesting fact, Moore's law states that every 18 months, processing speed on our computers double. This is quite astounding. The question is, if the processing speed is doubling, what about the software that supports this processing speed? The Project Management Institute on the 2nd of January 2021 is releasing the new examination content as outlined by the Project Management Institute. What they've done is they've incorporated predictive project management and agile project management, better known as hybrid project management. The focus on agile project management is typically aligned to software development projects, with early release to the clients and adding value to the client as soon as possible, rather than waiting to the end of the development of these software solutions, because they keep changing so fast. So a minimal viable product needs to be released to the client as soon as possible. My advice to any project manager working in the software development environment, get an agile certification. It is a must. Please subscribe to our channels and see you on the next turn.